What if roads could heal themselves after every storm? What if the asphalt beneath your car was not just passive ground, but a living surface that repairs its own scars? This is not science fiction anymore. It is real technology, self-healing asphalt, quietly tested in the United Kingdom, the Netherlands, Germany, and Japan. Engineers at Swansea University mixed microcapsules filled with sunflower oil into asphalt. When a crack forms, these tiny capsules burst and release oil that softens the bitumen, sealing the crack almost instantly. In the Netherlands, researchers are using steel fibers inside asphalt. When cracks appear, induction machines heat the surface, and the asphalt melts just enough to close itself. These experiments have extended road life by nearly 30 to 40%, saving millions in maintenance. But innovation always has a price. A normal kilometer of asphalt may cost around 1 crore rupees, while self-healing asphalt can cost 1 rupee and 50 paise to 1.8 crore rupees, nearly 50% more initially. That is why most countries hesitate to adopt it widely. Governments still prefer cheaper short-term repairs rather than investing in long-life smart materials. In developing nations, budgets and lack of advanced machinery slow things further. Yet, if you count the full life cycle, fewer potholes, less fuel waste, fewer traffic jams, the long-term saving is real. It is the same story with solar roads, smart grids, and AI cities. Innovation takes time, investment, and belief. In Chile, scientists are experimenting with bacteria that produce limestone to fill cracks naturally, inspired by coral reefs that repair themselves in the ocean. In the US, AI cameras are mapping early damage and activating road heating drones to prevent cracks before they appear. These are not just smart ideas, they are glimpses of a future where infrastructure maintains itself, without waiting for a human hand. So why does it matter? Because every pothole wastes not only money but time, energy, and even lives. A single deep pothole can cause accidents, vehicle damage, and traffic chaos, small cracks that turn into national losses. The road of the future won't just carry vehicles, it will think, heal, and adapt. The rain will no longer be a destroyer, but a trigger for renewal. And someday soon, we might drive on highways that silently repair themselves beneath our wheels. Turning every storm into a test, and every sunrise into a fresh start for the road ahead.